Eli, shut it.
Okay, that went on for quite a long time. Also, Fidget Cube, what are you? I am a god. A god of the goddess of the gods. A god. Can you get my missing marble back? Your missing marble is too powerful. Wait, what do you mean too powerful? I can't get it. It's just too powerful. It's in bad hands, and the person who has it could destroy you all. Wait, what? You don't understand, boys. Guys, I was telling the truth all that time. I said that I lost my power when I lost my marble. That marble gave me power. Powers that men couldn't describe. What about fidget spinners? Could they describe it? Could Dead Trends from 2017 figure it out? I don't think a Dead Trend could do it either. I think humans probably could, but not a Dead Trend like us. We're just Dead Trends. Hey guys, I know I like spiking stuff, but I've spiked this horse way too much because it kept on trying to kill us. But I kind of want to get rid of the body as much as I like stabbing stuff, especially dead bodies. Okay, let's just dispose of that horse. Let me just try to fly it up because I'm a bat. Let me just try to... Good job, bat spinner. Bat spinner. Wow, I love that song. Almost as much as I love my song. What is your song?
Was it in the outside of the closet?
That's my song. Okay. Hey, Whitey, let's make out. Sure, whatever. I don't care. Okay, let's make out. Why? Why did you kill me? I feel in love. Wait, actually, why did you kill her? I don't know. I felt something powerful go through my body. That was my body. That was my soul. My mystical horse soul. The mystical horse. The mystical horse. Oh my god. I think we are going to die. Right now, right here. And right later. That indeed is correct. I could kill you all on the spot. Like right now, right here, and right later. You suck. Hey, can we just talk about how much cocaine I've been snorting up my nose? My succubus bat nose. Yeah, it's a really good conversation I had. It's almost as good as my song. Oh, can we hear your song? Oh, that song never gets old. Never gets old. Who should I kill now? Who should I kill? Hey guys, if I had my missing marble, I'd probably have that power where I could fly. But nobody has ever helped me look. We have helped you look, though. Yeah, well, it hasn't been a really long time since you've looked. Because we got tired of it, bro. You just lost it. Just deal with it. I'm gonna go stab some stuff. Rubik's Cube, you think you can stop me? Well, I'm in the secret gang of secretness. The best gang out there. Well, I'm in Milk Gang. I'm what you could call a true boner. Just why? Just why, bro? Just why? Just why? Wait, what was that noise? It was my song, bro. Listen to my song. I rate that song a 5-star review on Yelp. But it was just, you know what? Screw it. I'm killing both of you guys. Ba 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 ba. You're not gonna kill us though, right? Don't you think I look kind of hot? Why would I think you look hot? And I'm obviously going to kill you. You stabbed my dead body like a millions of times. Ba 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 ba. Hey, do you know where my marble is? Ba 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 ba. One time I dated Alexa, and then I married a tuba. Ba 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 ba. Hey, bro, can you like respawn Lighty, Black Fidget Spinner, or what is his name? Could you respawn that guy, Marble Man, Spiky Boy, Bat Spinner, and Calvin? Wait a minute, my name not Calvin, it's Steve.